you guys need to leave the property for 24 hours, and if you don't right now, I'm gonna make it 6 months.
Would you kiss me though?
No. Okay, it's now 6 months.
No,
leave the property
I can't.
This guy found a plant that can give you a temporary tattoo.
Wow.
I found someone that makes art out of cardboard, but that artwork creates a shadow of a different piece of art. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States. I think we live in the future now because some Target stores in the USA are installing these robot manicure machines. This person suffers from epilepsy and frequently has seizures. Her dog will come over to comfort her whenever she has one. It might be a little scary, but after a few minutes, the seizure stops and she returns to normal. China officially has air taxis now. They just had their first customer a few days ago. It's supposed to be quieter, safer, and cheaper than taking a regular helicopter. A deer somehow got inside this indoor water park. This guy discovered a new way to go bowling. One of my subscribers recorded this video of their delivery driver dropping off a package and then stealing it. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.